Got the devil in your eyes. You went and took me by surprise. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden.
Before today's video starts, guys, hit that like button, and more importantly, hit that subscribe button. Help the channel grow, help us get over that 1,000 subscriber mark. I think we're getting pretty close here, but it does help me get motivated to make more of these videos for you guys. So hope you enjoy the video, and see you on the next one. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Gonna actually resurrect this channel from the dead a little bit here, address a couple things quickly, and then kind of catch you up to date, and then get rolling with some drifting. So if you guys are here on this channel from like the building the pole barn video, kind of time jumped quite a bit. Here it is. I've been grinding, putting in a lot of time and a lot of work into this place, and finally got it finished up. So if you guys want to see more on that, let me know. I'm open to suggestions on what to make for this channel. Kind of left it off to the side. We've got an off-road channel, which some of you guys might be here from. It's Blown Budget Off-Road, makes side-by-side UTV content. So mainly focus on that, but lately I've kind of been feeling like I kind of want to get this channel going again. Bottom line, I just enjoy making videos. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll see what you guys want to see. But if you guys want to know any more info on this shop, let me know. I'll make a video on that. But as you can see, things have changed a lot, you know. So this channel started, I had a Camaro 2010 Camaro 5th gen that I was drifting, made a video with that. So some of you guys might be here from that. That car is gone. I've got a Project C5 Corvette now that I'm building into like a street car / drift car. So kind of a work in progress here. Got a seat in it, steering wheel, short throw shifter, but picked it up and it had some issues with the heads. So got it tore down, and it's got a Texas speed cam, some other goodies, but got it tore down right now. Heads are off in the machine shop. So this one's kind of a work in progress. If you guys want to see more with that car, let me know. So it's going to be kind of street, kind of drift. Probably mostly drift than anything, but I do still want to keep it a street car because I'm not entirely sure how long I'll keep it or what the status is with that. But I don't think on this channel I've got any videos of Mustang drifting. I actually posted a couple of those on Blown Budget Off-Road. So if you guys are here for drifting, about a year ago, last summer, I posted a couple videos drifting, but the off-road guys that follow us on that channel, the videos just don't do that well. So decided to just stop posting on there, but I do still enjoy making videos. So decided I'm gonna post them on this channel. So to catch you guys up to speed, I will go show you guys my new Edge Mustang. It's in my trailer. I'm actually headed to the track tonight. So, but quickly, me and my brother Josh have Mustang GTs, new Edge Mustangs. I think his is an 01, mine's an 01. They got the 4.6 V8, 5-speed, quick rundown. They've got like a 373 rear end gearing, just a regular box tune. Josh's, the red one, he's got just free angle mods where you just chop the tie rods a little bit where they screw into the rack. You remove the rack limiters or the rack spacers and you get a little bit more angle from that. Mine is, today will be my first ride out. I was running that. So if you watch the same thing as Josh. So if you watch any of the videos from last year, same thing. Mine was running the free angle stuff as well. If you guys want, if anyone's out there interested, or there's enough interest, I can make videos talking about that stuff too and go more into depth on how to do that or what to do. But for now, I'm just kind of throwing out this feeler video to see what you guys are interested in, and we'll go from there. But today is my first ride out with a complete, basically, rebuild of the front end of my new Edge. So I'll go out to the trailer now and show you guys the car. It's a little windy, so hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad, but figured I'd show you guys a quick shot of the actual pole barn if anyone was here. So that is the shop we were just in. Got that all finished up. Like I said, can do more videos on that and get you guys clued into details on what I'm running for stuff in there or how it's laid out or built. But anyways, here is the new Edge. So it's obviously loaded up in the trailer. So I can't get you the best of shots, just decided to grab the camera and make this video. So you guys will see more of this in some videos later on today, but it's got some wheels, tires, and just finished up doing an angle kit on this car. So I'm running a Scotty D front angle kit, field coilovers, and it's like the quick angle kit. So comes with new lower control arms, different tie rod location, and basically gets you some gnarly angle. I could get more into detail on that stuff too if anybody was interested, but basically it's got rowdy front angle and front coilovers. I've got a set of rear feel coilovers for the back, but I didn't get around to putting them on. Just wanted to get the front dialed and done, and I'm gonna go drift it tonight. So I'll get the feels thrown on in the rear eventually, but other than that, it's got a hydro in the rear, some seats, just the fan relay controlling the fans, stock fans, but wired in a different relay to control the fans, so that way I can just turn them on earlier. A lower thermostat, hydro gauges, and that's about it. But I'll quit rambling here, guys, and I think we're gonna head to the track. Also, I think the last time you guys might have seen, I had a Cummins, 5 or 6-speed Cummins. I've now got an LML Duramax enclosed trailer. So things change a lot around here. I buy, sell, flip, trade vehicles, found that vet for a good deal, and just things like that. Things change quickly. But I think the setup I'm running now is gonna stay for a little bit. So any of the content you guys want to see with the fleet that I've got, I'm open to suggestions. So we're gonna get to the track later.